Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A80, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. To get started, hold your power button and volume up at the same time, and then swipe down right here to turn off your phone. Once your phone turns off, you can then hold the power button and volume, I presume, down, though I recommend waiting with that one. Let's see. Power button volume down. That's the first one I'm gonna check. It might be actually volume up, that's why I'm mentioning this. I'm gonna let go of the power button once the logo shows up. Yep, there we go. So it was correct. Power button and volume down. Now, once you see the language selection right here, you want to simply click on the language that you wish to use. For me, that's going to be English, and this takes us to the recovery mode. We only have a couple options in here. So we have format data, aka factory resetting of the device, and then we have two different ways of leaving this mode. So we have reboot device, which takes us back to Android, and we have power off, which just like the thing would state, turns off the device. So anyway, I'm gonna select reboot device and confirm it, just so I can leave this mode, as there's nothing more to show in here. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.